Hi there and welcome back. In this episode I will continue hanging plasterboard to the bathroom walls, but I thought this would become a little bit boring over time. So my idea was to pimp this episode by adding some behind the scenes material. Let's get started. It's Friday afternoon, let me have a look, it's 3:30. I'm standing in front of my favorite home center over there because I've got to buy some plasterboards and some battens for this weekend's project and a little bit of smaller stuff, and this is how the weekend starts. Nearly every weekend, my first trip after school takes me to the home improvement market, because this is what I do, improve my tiny home. Good to see that prices for plasterboard and lumber go back down again. An 8-foot plasterboard in my car. No problem at all, as long as Laszlo does not want to sit next to me. It is 4:15 now. As you can see, I got everything in my car. So this is the point where the weekend can really start. It's Friday night, it's 7:30. No, it's 7:45. I'm sitting in front of my computer, having a cup of tea, and I'm looking for fresh music for the new episode. This will take around about an hour, I think. It's 8:30 now. Of course, I found some music. No problem, no worries. Right now, I'm uploading the interview that Donna did with me last week. In the very beginning, it was just especially for Patreon, and I uploaded it on Patreon last week. But I think it would be a pity not to show it to everyone, so that's why I upload it right now to YouTube. And as soon as it is online, I will start answering the comments. I always try to answer the comments for at least an hour when I uploaded a new video, so that everybody who wants to get in touch with me can get in touch with me, or at least the quick ones. You know what I mean. And while some people relax, it is still Friday night. It is around, let me have a look at the clock. It is 10:30 right now. I'm still answering comments. I don't know if you can see it. So there are viewers reacting on the interview video. And I have to whisper a bit because Laszlo already went to sleep and changed from tea to white wine. But anyway, I will go to bed as well, I think in the next half an hour, because I want to be fit for tomorrow when work starts. It is Saturday morning, 9 o'clock, and what a beautiful morning it is. This is normally the time when I start working at the tiny house. In this case, today I have to drive to Donna and Helen's hotel where they stayed, because I still need a receipt for their stay due to tax reasons. And because this is quite boring for you to watch, we will jump right into work. Later that day, I took Donna and Helen to the airport and they flew back to England. But in the morning I was lucky enough to have Donna still by my side. What a massive help she was. In the end, we worked together literally hand in hand. While I drilled holes, she already cut the battens to length and always handed the right tools. Laszlo and me, we will miss both of them.
Running from all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more. And I still wonder where you are.
Thank you, Donna and Helen, for a wonderful time, and have a safe trip back home.
Come seek me out.
To hide all the cables and pipes, I decided to hang plasterboard on every wall of the bathroom. But this means that the old door frame has to go. I found out that the initial opening in the wall was much wider. So I checked both sizes and compared it to today's standard sizes. Don't know if they had other standards back then in the GDR. Next week, every wall will finally be covered with green board. So that's the point when I can hand the bathroom over to Laszlo for plastering. Hooray! And I will continue to hang the missing plasterboards in the bedroom. It is Sunday afternoon around 4 o'clock. The rough cut of this week's episode is nearly complete. I will continue with some fine-tuning, and in the end I will do my overvoice and upload everything on YouTube. So this might be around 9 o'clock tonight. And I'm already still looking forward to read all your comments. By the way, it's beautiful weather today. Look at this. I did not make this episode as a fishing for sympathy. I mean, nobody forces me to vlog about my DIY weekends. It was just that all our visiting guests over the last weeks were a bit surprised to see how much work it takes to deliver a new episode every week.
I know that you are having a hard time right now.
That's when I thought, why not show them everything?
That everything seems to crumble around you.
If you want more of this stuff, why don't you subscribe?
I know that you feel all alone in this world, but you have to put your trust into us, and we will help you through, 'cause we only want what's best for you. I know that you are having trouble believing right now.
Have a good week, everyone. Stay safe and stay healthy.